Today we'll be looking at this portable power station. So this is how the device will look like. That's our front, then back and the sides. You got a nice and ergonomic handle at the top. So the device will come with a 27,000 mAh battery, which is actually pretty impressive one. You can charge your smartphone up to 6 times to get a full charge out of it. And given the fact that you can charge pretty much any device under 100 watts, it's very versatile, as you can charge, as I just mentioned, smartphones, tablets, laptops, even stuff like mini fridge. So this will be like a really fantastic companion for your traveling, like camping and whatnot. It also comes with multiple different ports. So obviously we got our AC one, then on the other side we've got our input and output, including the DC one. Then we got a USB-C and 3 USB-A's. So obviously we can charge multiple different devices at once without any issues. Then on the front, once we'll press the power button, you can see the LCD screen that will show us a clear indication of the battery together with the output port. Then it will come with two different set of lights. So we got our front big one. Let me just show you how it will look. So we got our standard light. This one will be fantastic, for the walking, whether we are camping or fishing. Then we got our strobo light. That will be fantastically for any kind of the emergencies. And then we got our SOS signal. And we've got the same type of the light on the side. All we need to do is to press this button over here. And again, we got our standard light, then a strobe, and then SOS signal. You can charge the device using 3 different methods. So first of all, we can use standard wall outlet. So you will get this cable in the parcel. You will also get a car charger that you can pretty much use straight away to charge your device. And the last method will be to use the solar panel. So even if you will be in a remote area without power, that won't be an issue for you whatsoever. And because the device does not need any fuel, you are not producing any fumes, it's of course eco-friendly, and you can of course use it both indoors and outdoors. It's also built with the safety in mind, so there's a built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage and overheating, and it will shut itself automatically if it's overloaded. So now let's put it to the test. I've just connected my air filter to the battery. Let's now turn it on. Make sure that we got our AC out by clicking this button on the left. And as you can see, we already got the power on the device. Now let's turn it on. And as you can see, it works like a dream.